Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online class of Bardwan Model School. I welcome you all to the math class because it is your maths class now. Okay. I think all of you are ready with your math book and math copy because in the previous class we have doing chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So today also I will be doing this one, knowing our numbers. In the previous class we are doing the place values. We are discussing about the place values from page number 6 and 7. Okay, so let us start from that page 7. I'll write here. Today we'll be also learning the place values, but today we'll be learning the 6-digit number, means the lakh place value. 1 lakh place value. First of all, I will ask you which one is the greatest 5-digit number. Which one? Can anyone tell me which one is the greatest 5-digit number? Yes. Okay. Which one is greatest 5-digit number? Okay. Greatest 5-digit number. Everyone have to write in your math copy. Not now. I will tell you when to write. Okay. Greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. This one. Greatest 5-digit number is your 99,999. Okay. If you add 1 to it, what will happen? See, if you have add 1 to it, what will happen? It will become, see, 9 plus 1 0, 9 plus 1 0, 9 plus 1 0, 9 plus 1 0, 9 plus 1 10. You are having 1 lakh. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay. So today we will be learning this 6-digit number, this lakh place value. Means we will learn ones. Just a recap, I am doing ones, then tens, then hundreds, then thousand, then 10,000, then lakh. Okay, we learn this one today. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, today we will learning this one. So we will go to straight to the try these. All of you look at your book, page number 7. At the bottom of the page you are having try these. We have to do that one, that table. So I will request everyone. Request everyone to do the column. Everyone will do the column. Page number 7. Yes, that is page number 7. All of you will do page number 7 there. Page number 7, all of you open. Okay. Okay. You do the column in your math copy. Okay, read, try this. Will you doing the try this? Read and expand the numbers. Page number 7 in your book. All of you will be following page number 7. You write this in your math copy. You will do the column. See, first of all, number. First of all, you do the number. Then number name. Then expansion. Okay, number, number name, then expansion. This column you will make in your math copy. Okay. See, first 3 have been done. All of you look at the book. First 3 have been done. See, first one 3 lakh. Number name 3 lakh. They have written. Then expand from 3 into 1 lakh. Then 3 lakh 50,000. They have written in number form, spelling form. I am telling you, expand 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000. Then 3 lakh 53,500. So expand from 3 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1,000 plus 5 into 100. Now this 4 we will do. 4 sums that is given there in the blank one. We will solve that one. First one, 4 lakh 57,928. So number name, all of you will writing. Yes, all of you write this please. It will be 4 lakh 57,928. 28. So number is 4,57,928. So expand form you will write it here, 4 into 1 lakh. Okay, 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000. Okay, plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, I think all of you have written this one. I will repeat once again. First number we have written 4,57,928. I have written in spelling form that number name 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, next one, 4 lakh 7,928. Okay, your number is 4,07,928. That means it is 4 lakh 7,000 900 28. Okay, so the number is 4,07,928. I think all of you are writing. Yes, I want the answer. Okay. Then this one in expand form, 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, so we have completed these two. So I will rub the board. I will rub the board there. I think all of you have completed. I will just rub this one, this upper portion, number 1. Okay. Okay. Next number 4 lakh 829. 4 lakh 829. You write this one. 4 lakh 4 lakh 829. 4 lakh 829. Okay, I think all of you have written this one. Navamita. Okay, now the expand form, 4 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Okay, so I repeat this one. 4 lakh 829. 4 lakh 829 in the spelling form I have written. Then expand form, 4 into 1 lakh plus 8 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Okay. Now I will erase the second one. Okay. See here. Last one is left. This number is 4 lakh 29. So it is 4,00,00,000 comma 029. So I'll write this, the number name, four lakh 29, 4,29,000. Okay. So expand form I will write 4 into 1 lakh, 4 into 1 lakh plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Okay, this one in expand form. Okay, so I will repeat what I have written now. The last number I have written 4, 00, 029. That means the number name will be 4,29,000. I have written here number name column. Then expansion means the expand form I have written 4 into 1 lakh. See, 1 lakh has having the 5 zeros, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. So 1 lakh plus 2 into 10 plus 9 into 1. I think all of you have completed. Okay. Now, yes. Now I will wrap this one. We'll go to the next page. Okay. So I'm erasing this one. Okay. We'll now go to page number 8. All of you open page number 8 in your math book. Okay. Page number 8. Page number 8. Okay. All of you open page number 8 in your math book. See here, larger number. Now we'll be doing that, complete the pattern that is given there. So if we add one more to the greatest 6-digit number, we get the smallest 7-digit number. It is called 10 lakh. So greatest 6-digit number is, you are having 69, means 9,99,999. So what is the greatest 6-digit number? It is 9,99,999. So we'll be doing the complete the pattern. All of you will follow there. Page number 8. Complete the pattern. I think all of you are writing this in your math copy. Yes. Where is Obipsha? Shomili. Yes. Shonak. Okay. Navamita. Okay. Complete the pattern. See, first one, 9 plus 1, 10. 99 plus 1, 100. You will write this one. Then 999 plus 1, it is 1000. Then 9,999 plus 1, it is 10,000. Then 99,999 plus 1, it will be 1 lakh. Okay. Then 9 lakh 99,999 plus 1, it will be 10 lakh. 6 zeros will be there. Okay, 10 lakh. Then 99 lakh 99,999 plus 1, it will be 1 crore. 7 zeros will be there. See, this is the pattern. See here, I will explain you. See, 9 plus 1, it is 10. See, 1 0. Then 99 plus 1, 1 9 extra, 99. It becomes 100. 1 0 more. The zeros are increasing. See, 999 means 999. 3 nines are there plus 1, 1000. So 49 plus 1, it is 10,000. See, zeros are increased. First of all, 1, 10, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 1 lakh, then 10 lakh, then 1 crore. See, first 1 0, then 2 0, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. This way. Okay, the number increases. Okay. So today up to this much we will do. Okay. So one homework I will give you. One homework I will give you. You will do this. Try this homework. All of you write down in your math copy. Try this. Try this means this one. This see, they are given 10 minus 1, that table. 10 minus 1 equal to how much? Then 100 minus 1 equal to how much? This one. This one you will do. Okay. And remember is there. There is one remember in black, in that red column. Remember. You will learn this one. You will learn this remember. All of you will learn this remember. Since 100 means 10 tens. 1000 means 10 hundred. Equal to 100 tens. 1 lakh means 100 thousands is equal to 1000 hundred. 1 crore means 100 lakhs is equal to 10,000 thousands. Okay. All of you will learn this one. This remember, you will learn that pink column is there at the side of the complete the pattern. You learn this one and try this, that one, that 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1, you will do as homework. I will ask you next day. Okay. I think all of you have understood what I have told you. Yes or no? Jehan, Avipsha, Navamita, Shomili is there. Okay, very good. Thank you everyone for the class. See you in the next day. Okay, bye bye.